Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. You're welcome. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to carve your brows the easiest way and also as a beginner. So the first thing you want to do is to pick up your spoolie. Your spoolie is your brow brush, and your razor. So the first thing you want to do is to put the lower part of your brow into a frame like this, and then after doing that you also have to put the upper part of your brow into a frame like this. Okay guys, so you're doing this because you want to define the brow and you want to give it its own shape. After doing that, you want to go ahead to pick up your spoolie and then brush down the hairs that fall below the line that you've created underneath the brow and above the brow. Once you finish carving out the excess hair that falls below the carved line, you also want to go to the top of the brow and then brush the brow hairs upwards and then carve out the excess hair that falls above the carved line at the top of the brow. So I'm going to move over to the second brow and then repeat the same process. It's just about 4 steps. You need to make sure that you put the lower part of the brow into a frame and then do the same thing to the upper part of the brow. Then after doing that, you have to make sure that you carve out the excess hair that falls below the carved line that you've created, and then also for the top of the brow you have to carve out the excess hair that falls above the carved line you've created. As simple as that. So once you're done with all of that, you need to make sure that you pick up your face wipe or a brush and then remove the excess hair that are falling on her face. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment if it has helped you in any way. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.